Bluey woke up feeling worried. A strange shadow moved in the backyard. Could it be something scary? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "Bluey, what is that?" Bluey's ears perked up. "Let's go see." Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom followed with a cautious smile. Bluey nodded determinedly. They tiptoed closer. The shadow shifted among the flowers. Bluey's tail twitched nervously. Could it be a friendly creature? Suddenly, a glowing lantern appeared. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it guide us?" They followed the lantern. Through the grass. Around the fountain. The glow brightened the path. Bluey's excitement mixed with curiosity. Could they discover something magical? Dad and Mom watched closely. Bluey noticed a small hidden door under a bush. She whispered, "This must be it." Bluey opened the door slowly. A tunnel of sparkling light appeared. Could this really be a portal? Inside, the tunnel shimmered with colors. Strange shadows danced along the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo's paws barely touched the ground. Could this world be enchanted? A friendly creature appeared. Its wings glowed softly. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be our guide? The creature led them to a hidden garden. Flowers glimmered in rainbow colors. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this alive? They explored carefully, jumping over tiny streams, chasing butterflies, laughing and discovering secrets. Bluey's heart felt full of wonder. As the sun began to set, they returned home through the tunnel. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible adventure." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical journey." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the magic with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.